Hello, namaste to all.
Sir,
Video on irka. Are you able to see my video, everybody? Pooja, are you able to view me on the screen? எல்லாரும் mute பண்ணுங்க. Please make mute mode. Mute பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும். நீங்களாம் mute பண்ணலையா? Are you able to hear me? Any one of you say Pooja, Rohit, respond to me.
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay.
We are able to.
See. Okay, screen alla paaka mudiyadhu. Now I'm going to begin. It is on record now. It is recording. Please, all of you, listen to me. We are recording this so that you have to come in a school uniform only and to give attendance. Yes. I am namaste to all. I am a Sanskrit teacher, Kendra Anna Nagar, taking class for 8th standard. Today we are taking class number 2, second lesson. Okay. स्वागतम अत्र भवतां सर्वेषां संस्कृतकक्षायाम् and it is from Narasimhan TGT Sanskrit. Please give attendance one by one. Faster.
Sir, Rohit present, sir.
Okay.
Present sir.
Vedavashni present, sir.
Okay.
Priyan present, sir.
Present, sir. Dhyanesh present, sir.
Okay.
Prasanna Srinivas present, sir.
Okay.
Prasanna Srinivas present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Charan present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, TB present, sir.
Okay.
Priya present, sir.
Okay.
Nashri present, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, others can give a message in the chat stating that you all are present in the class likewise. Now we are going to continue our classes on 29th today, Wednesday for the class. This is 8th standard. We are having the class 10th is for both the sections. We are having more than 45 plus 45.
Sir,
Now, so far, how many are present, Rohit?
Sir, from 8.
No, totally
25%.
totally 25 are there on Thursday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Strength we have to increase. It is not sufficient for us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go with only 7th class. Lesson number 2 only for you also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will be there. You Rohit, you be there on screen till the session gets over. Okay. Video don't switch off. I want
Okay.
1 or 2% should be there always on video set, and they can make and be there with me, and we will start our session.
Okay. Yes, sir.
26 are there so far. This
Yeah, sir.
class,
26.
okay. This class will go for 40-minute session. It is on recording. All of you, please make mute mode. Now only just 4 minutes over. Our class starts. It will end with 5 o'clock. 40 minutes class. द्वितीयः पाठः विलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. Rohit, tell me, you are able to view this screen? The font size is, I made a bigger size. Are
Yes.
you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can able to view also.
Yes, sir.
See
I'm able
also.
to.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Who is talking and who is interacting with me should be there on video. Yeah. Okay. Now, प्रस्तुत पाठ Sanskrit now Vilasya Vani na Kadapi me Sutta. This is the lesson number 2 we are going to read. Ayam Pataha Ditiyaha Asti. Vilasya Vani na Kadapi me Sutta. This is the heading of the lesson. Vilasya Vila means no cave. Gufa, Guha, Vani, speech. Vani means no speech. Word, speaking, Bhashanam. Na, nahi. Kadapi, kada, never, api, and also kadapi, sarvatha, me, to me, sruta, heard, srutavan. Now, I tell the meaning. Aham kadapi vilasya bhashanam na srutavan. I tell the meaning in English for your understanding. I never heard the cave is talking. Cave is talking. Likewise, cave, you know, the forest, there are a lot of guha will be there. Guha, we say guha in Hindi language. Guha. Guha in Tamil language. சுத்தமா கிளியரா புரியணும்னா தமிழ்ல சொல்லலாம் குகை. இந்த குகையில வந்து என்ன இருக்கும், அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாம் லீவ் பண்ணோம். புரியுதா ரோஹித்?
Yes, sir. Den.
ஓகே. அந்த குகையில வந்து அனிமல்ஸ் ஆர் லீவிங். ஒரு குகை வந்து பேசுற மாதிரி, you have to think it over. One of the guha is talking. Likewise, அதுதான் இப்போ the heading of the lesson is that நான் எங்கேயுமே கேள்விப்பட்டதே இல்லை குஹா பேசுற மாதிரி. குஹா எங்கன்னா பேசுமா?
No, sir.
No, sir.
அதுதான் heading of the lesson. The heading of the lesson என்னன்னா, நான் எங்கேயுமே கேள்விப்பட்டதே இல்லை குஹா பேசுற மாதிரி. I never heard the gufa is talking likewise. Some are coming.
Okay, sir.
I admit it. Now we go with the introduction of the lesson. प्रस्तुत पाठ संस्कृत के प्रसिद्ध कथा ग्रंथ पंचतंत्र के तृतीय तंत्र काकोलिकीयम से संकलित है. पंचतंत्र के मूल लेखक विष्णु शर्मा है. इसमें 5 खंड है जिनमें तंत्र कहा गया है. इनमें गद्य पद्य रूप में कथाएं दी गई है जिनके पात्र मुख्यतः पशु पक्षी है. प्रस्तुत पाठ संस्कृत के प्रसिद्ध कथा ग्रंथ पंचतंत्र के तृतीय तंत्र. There is one famous katha grantha, one story book is there, all of you know, that is called Panchatantram, the name of the book. Are you able to hear my voice is very audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I
Yes, sir.
continue? Shall I continue? If suppose any
Yes, sir.
disturbance, you are not able to view the screen, you are not able to
Sir, the
hear my
voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe because of your broadband connection, and it is
For
not
network
for
connection, sir.
network. It is not for everybody. I hope so. If everybody are hearing likewise the voice breaking,
No, sir. It's clear only, sir.
that's
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
no, that is 1 or 2. Sometimes happening even from my network also. So you have to adjust with. It is always in video conference. This problem will come. The voice will break. You have to tolerate and adjust it. When we record and send to you, that time it will be very clear for you to learn more. So far, 29 students are joined there. Okay, we continue the class.
Yes, sir.
Any kind of disturbance you feel, you can chat and to send me. Even I teach, your voice I may not be able to hear because you are putting in the mute mode. You can chat it. Any disturbance is there, you can tell. I will see and I will correct it. Then okay, I continue. Then there is a one book in Sanskrit language, Panchatantra, which all of you have studied in translated mode. Even you heard the word called Panchatantra in Sanskrit. Many times, many of you are studied from the lower class itself. So you will be knowing these kind of things. Then I did not give much more explanation or introduction about the Panchatantra. The name of the Panchatantra itself, there are 5 parts will be there. That is called Tantra. Tantra is called part, 5 parts. In a third part, it is called Kakulukiyam. One part is there. From that, the lesson is taken here. तो पंचतंत्र के मूल लेखक विष्णु शर्मा है. पंचतंत्रस्य लेखकः अस्ति विष्णु शर्मा इति. इसमें 5 खंड है. अस्मिन् पंच अध्यायाः सन्ति. अध्याय मीन्स नो चैप्टर जिन्हें तंत्र कहा गया है. तत्र अध्याय चैप्टर अस्य तंत्र तंत्र इति उच्यते. तंत्र इति वदति. इनमें गद्य पद्य रूप में कथा ये दी गई है. अस्मिन् गद्य एवं पद्य रूपेण कथाः सन्ति. The stories are there in a prose order and poem order in this Panchatantra stories, and which they have taken here third tantra, जिनमें पात्र मुख्यतः पशु पक्षी है. In this very important, the characters are here is पशु पक्षी, the birds and animals only. So, listen students, this lesson is taken from the book name called Panchatantra. The name of the title of the lesson is Vilasivani na Kadapi Me Sutta. It is taken from the 3rd chapter of the Panchatantra and Kakalokiyam, and the main author of this Panchatantra is Vishnu Sarma. It is divided into 5 chapters. It is written in the order of prose and a poem order. Some are coming, I am admitting. Okay. Then in this, jinke very important characters are here, animals and birds. So this is the introduction of this lesson. Okay, any clarification regarding with intro? You can discuss, then I go for a lesson teaching.
No, sir.
No, okay. Then lesson, I read
Yes,
first.
sir. We can go through.
Okay, good. I read the lesson now. Please, all of you take photo if you want. Reading of the lesson. The lesson gets over with these 2 pages. You are having no textbook. I am showing again. You can see. This is the textbook. Lesson number 2. This is 1 page. This is another page. Only this 2 pages are there in this lesson. Only 2 pages. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs we can think. We can teach these 4 paragraphs in 2 or 3 classes according to your understanding. Now I make you reading practice. All of you please listen very carefully. I will interact with you by calling. Your address is written here. Email ID. I call your email ID only. By that only you have to report and to tell me, and you have to interact with me. It is clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some are waiting here.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Some are coming.
Okay,
Sir, here standing or no, Rohit. They are asking admission. I have to go and keep on clicking
Yes, sir.
on admission. 4 persons are waiting. It is coming. 1 minute, please. Sorry to disturb.
Sir.
1 minute. Some are waiting here. I am
Yeah, okay. Sure.
admitting. Admitted. To put in the message,
Yeah,
ask them
okay.
to join immediately. And I'm not able to give all the time admission. Once they come, please make a mute mode, everybody. Mute mode. Everybody put on mute mode always. Then, Kaschite, I am giving reading practice. All of you please carefully listen. My voice is clear now because it's a reading practice. Are you able to hear my voice? कस्मिंश्चित् वने कर्णखरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म। सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमन् क्षुधार्तः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान्। ततः सूर्यास्तसमये एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत्, नूनं एतस्यां गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति, अतः तत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति। एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छत्। स च यावत् पश्यति तावत् सिंहपदपद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते, न च बहिरागता। शृगालः अचिन्तयत्, अहो विनष्टोऽस्मि, नूनमस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि, तत् किं करवाणि? एवं विचिन्त्य दूरस्थः रवं कर्तुम् आरब्धः। भो बिल, किं न स्मरसि यन्मया त्वया सह समयः कृतोऽस्ति यत् यदाहं वाक्यतः प्रत्यागमिष्यामि तदा त्वं माम् आकारयिष्यसि। यदि त्वं मां न आह्वयसि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति। अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंहः अचिन्तयत्, नूनं एषा गुहा स्वामिनः सदा समाह्वानं करोति, परन्तु मद्भयात् न किञ्चित् वदति अथवा साध्विदम् उच्यते। भयसन्तस्तमनसा हस्तपादादिका क्रियाः प्रवर्तन्ते न वाणी च वेपतुस्ताधिको भवेत्। तदाहम् अस्य आह्वानं करोमि, एवं सः बिले प्रविश्य मे भोजनं भविष्यति। इत्थं विचार्य सिंहः सहसा शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत्। सिंहस्य उच्चगर्जन प्रतिध्वनिना सा उच्चैः शृगालम् आह्वयत्। अनेन अन्येऽपि पशवः भयभीताः अभवन्। शृगालोऽपि ततः दूरं पलायमानः इमम् अपठत्। अनागतं व्यकुरुते सशोभते, सशोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतम्। वनेत्र संस्थस्य समागता जरा, विरस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता। So this is the reading over of this lesson. I completed reading of this lesson. Are you able to hear this reading of this lesson?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now
It
interaction
is audible,
session.
sir.
Okay. Now it is interaction session. Be ready? I am going to teach only these two paragraphs. Please listen. Here, these two paragraphs I am going to teach you all. This Kasmin Situ, the starting. Here is the Kasmin Situ, here is there, which I am making here, underlining these words. Are you able to see this all? Are you able to see these two paragraphs?
Yes, sir.
Only these two paragraphs I am going to teach you today.
Yes, sir.
Now these paragraphs you have to read. I will call one or two students. One or two lines you have to read. Be ready. Okay?
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Pushpa,
Okay, sir.
okay? Pooja, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I read and show you once again. Only this two paragraph.
Yes, sir.
And second paragraph. Once again, carefully, please listen. कस्मिंश्चित् वने घर्णकरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमन् क्षुधार्तः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान् तदा सूर्यास्तमसमये एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत् नूनं तस्यां गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति। एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छत् तत्र यावत् तावत् सिंहपदपद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते बहिरागता शृगालः चिन्तयत् अहो विरक्तोऽस्मि मूलम् अस्मिन् सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि अस्ति प्लस् इति अस्ति तत् किं करवाणि up to this totally 37 are joined now please make mute mode everybody please make mute mode everybody Varaha, are you here? Varaha, are you here? Varaha, are you here? Rohit?
Sir, I'm not able to. Sir. Sir, voice is not clear, sir. Not clear.
Hear your voice, sir.
Not able to hear? Now? Are you able to hear me now?
It's clear, sir.
Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Read this first paragraph.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Maybe your net problem. Rohit? 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 Pooja? Pooja?
Sir.
You are hearing only yes, sir. Only I am able to hear. Priya?
Sir.
Priya, are you able to hear me?
Sir, I can hear to. Sir.
Who can
It's
hear to
clear,
me?
sir.
Who can hear to me? You have to say the name. You are not opening the video, so I cannot see you.
No. Sir, I cannot hear, sir. Sir, I cannot hear, sir. Sir, I can hear, sir.
Not audible to me, sir.
No, you say I cannot understand because you are not opening the video. Okay, so you have to tell the name and to say.
Sir. Sir, it is not audible to me, sir.
Please open the video, then only I can see you. Hello? Okay, Pooja, are you able to hear me? Rohit, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Arms, are you able to hear me? Arms? Arms, are you able to hear me?
No, sir.
You are not able to hear my voice?
No, sir.
Sir, I cannot
Able to hear, sir.
Sir, I can hear.
Hello, you say me.
Sir, I can hear, sir.
Okay, tell me name. What's your name?
Sir, I cannot hear, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
who is able to hear me? My voice. Tell the name.
Sir, I can able to hear, sir, but your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello, you tell your name. Hello, tell me name. Hello, any one of you read. You are telling me I am able to hear. Hello. Okay, continue. कस्मिंश्चित् वने करणकरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म.
Voice is breaking.
कस्मिंश्चित् वने करणकरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म. In one forest there was one lion is living by name Karanakara. Likewise, सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमण्य क्षुधार्तः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान्. When the lion is going in order to search up the food, and it was now. Please make mute mode, everybody. Put in mute mode. Please put in mute mode. Put in mute mode, everybody. Put in mute mode. Jovin, mute mode lo venga. Okay. Then सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमण्य क्षुधार्तः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान्. When the lion was going, it was not able to get food here and there. क्षुधार्ता means hungry. ततः सूर्यास्त समये एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः चिन्तयति. At the sunset time, it was able to see one guha. नूनं एतस्यां गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति. Definitely, in the evening time, any one of the animal is coming near to this guha. अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि. So that I will stay here itself and look at see this place. Any of the animal is coming over here. अस्यानुच्छेदस्य अयमर्थः. एकस्मिन् वने एकः सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म. तस्य सिंहस्य नाम कर्णकरः इति अस्ति. सः सिंहः भोजनार्थम् इतः ततः एकस्मिन् स्थले अन्यस्मिन् स्थले क्षुधार्तः हङ्ग्रीत्यर्थः आहारार्थं गच्छति स्म. तदा सूर्यास्त समये यदा सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं गच्छति तदानीं सः सिंहः एकां गुहां दृष्टवान्. स्वमनसि एवं चिन्तयति, अस्यां गुहायां कोऽपि जीवः मृगः जीवति इति. अतः अहम् इत्यस्य सिंहः निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि. अहमपि अत्रैव यत्र कुत्रापि तिष्ठन् पश्यामि यः कोऽपि आगमिष्यति वा अत्र रात्रौ इति. So Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay. Continue. Then I told the
Yes,
meaning
sir.
of this. Okay. First paragraph, second paragraph you go. एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छति. अस्मिन् समये एकः शृगालः चित्रं पश्यतु. All of you see this picture. Lion is going inside of the cave. Here the jackal is there. Jackal is here looking the lion likewise. Are you able to see this picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, etasmin antare guaya swami. This jackal is used to live in this the cave always. And one day, what happened? When this lion is there inside of the cave, that time this jackal is coming and looking this place. That jackal name is Dadipucha. सच यावत् पश्यति तावत् सिंह पद पद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते. When it was coming and seeing here, that time it was able to see the lion footprint. The footprints are able to see that. So it is understood that the jackal is there inside of the lion is there inside of the cave. The jackal is looking there. Sigalaha achintayate. The jackal is thinking, oh, Vinattos me. And after seeing that, it was seeing that, today the lion will kill me. By that I will get destroyed. Nunam asmin bile simha astiti iti tarkayami. Nunam, definitely I think that today this lion will kill me. Tat kim karavani? What shall I will do? Likewise. So I tell the meaning once again for your understanding. एतस्मिन् यदा सिंहः भोजनार्थम् इतस्ततः गच्छति स्म तदानीम् एकां गुहाम् अपश्यत्. गुहां दृष्ट्वा तत्रैव वसति स्म. तदानीम् एकः शृगालः, शृगालस्य नाम अस्ति दधिपुच्छः इति. दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः आगत्य पश्यति. यदा पश्यति तदानीम् अन्तः शृगालः, अन्तः सिंहः अस्ति. गुहायाम् अन्तः शृगालः अस्ति. कथं पश्यति? सिंहस्य पदपद्धतिः पश्यतु. अत्र सिंहस्य पदपद्धतिः फुट्प्रिण्ट्स् आर् हियर्. तद् दृष्ट्वा शृगालः चिन्तयति अन्तः सिंहः अस्ति. अतः अद्य विनष्टः भवामि. अद्य नाशं गमिष्यामि. अद्य सिंहः मम हननं करोति. अतः नूनमस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि. निश्चयेन अत्र सिंहः अस्मिन् बिले, बिले मीन्स् गुहा, अस्मिन् बिले सिंहः वसति इति चिन्तयामि. Likewise, the jackal is there. Please make mute mode. So, there was one lion is living in the forest. One day it goes to it is very hungry, was getting no food here and there. While searching up the food, it was able to see one cave. After seeing the cave, it decides that inside of the cave, definitely there will be any of the animal is living. So when the animal comes in the evening, and I can kill that animal, I can eat it. Thinking so, it is going there. Inside it is living. when it was there inside of the living, that time the jackal is coming over there and looking the lion footprints, and it is deciding that definitely inside there is a lion is there. Thinking so, it is afraid of the lion and thinks in the mind that what shall I will do likewise. So these two paragraphs over. Now it is the interaction of the session. You can read any one
This is over.
of you read these two lines. Who will read? Rohit, come open video.
admit பண்ண மாட்டாரு.
Hello, open the video. Vara?
Sir, I will read the 2 paragraphs.
Please. Yaar Rohit?
Sir,
Read. It should be interaction. Right. You are not coming.
Okay, sir.
Your broadband is very slow. It is showing to me. Net is problem for you.
sir,
Anybody else?
Second para.
Read it. Video on panna video. Switch on video. Please read. Priya.
Sir, Priya has left the meeting, sir.
Okay.
I'm thinking so that
You are coming now.
Read the second para.
Read ma.
किसंशित वने करन्करः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवस्ते स्म सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमन्
Video on panne. Continue.
शूदार्थः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान् ततः सूर्यास्तसमये एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत् नूनं नूनम् एष्टयां गाहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति
Your face is not
अतः
visible on video. Camera path padima. Please read by seeing the camera. This boy, who is this boy is coming on video but he is not reading. Hello? Yes, you are coming on video. You can read. Read by what's your name? Now it's coming. Pooja, your video is coming now. You can read.
Okay, sir. ननम् एत्स्यां गाहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति अतः अत्र निगूढो भूत्वा पश्यामि इति.
Okay, thank you. Rohit, continue second paragraph.
sir,
Second paragraph.
yes, sir.
एतस्मिन् अंतरे ಅದು पढ़ी.
कस्मिंश्चित् वने करन्करः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमन् क्षुधार्तः न किञ्चिदपि
Sit
Param
properly.
praptavan.
Sit straight. Sit straight. Okay. Allow. Yes. Yes. Continue.
ततः सूर्यास्तमये एकं महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत्
Ah.
नूनम् एतस्यां गुहायां तौ कोऽन्यपि जीवः आगच्छति अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति
Continue. The paragraph मुच्चिरे. एतस्मिन् अन्तरे
एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छत् स च यावत् पश्यत् तावत् सिंहपदपद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते न च बहिरागता शृगालः अचिन्तयत्
Very good.
विनष्टो
Aho Vinatosmi.
नूनम् अस्मिन् बिले
No,
सिंहम्
repeat again. Aho
सिंहम्
Vinatos.
अस्ति इति
No, repeat again. Aho Vinatosmi.
अहो विनष्टोऽस्मि नूनम्
Vinatosmi.
अस्मि
Wait. Vinata Asmi. Say.
विनष्टः अस्मि
Good.
नूनम् अस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि
Good.
तत् किं करवाणि
Very good.
एवं विचिन्त्य Sir.
Anybody else to interact with me? Come on, video. Nobody is there. Nobody is opening the video. Okay. Rohit, you tell me I means Vara is there. Ask her Vara. 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 Vara, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Video on panne.
Sir, for me, if audio is coming, video is not coming, sir.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Read the paragraph.
Sir, Kashmin, that one, sir.
Ama.
Yes, sir. कस्मिंश्चित् वने खरण्खरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमणं श्रुधार्थः न किञ्चिदपि
Aharam.
प्राप्तवान् ततः सूर्योस्तसमये एकां महतीं गृहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत् नूनम् एतस्यां गृहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति
Very good. Stop. I will ask you some questions. Tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Simhasya nama kim? Ekapadena uttarata. One word answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, what was the question?
Simhasya nama kim?
Sir, what was the question?
Simhasya nama kim? Okay, correct.
नाम कर्णकरः
Sir, Karanakaraha.
Okay.
Sir, Karanakaraha.
Okay. Second question.
कर्णकरः
Okay. Second question. To whom I ask? Pooja. You say. Kaha Shudartah. Kaha Shudartah Abhavat.
कहा परिभ्रमण
No, who was very hungry?
the lion was
Sir, Guraha.
Simha.
Sir, Juha.
Simha, lion was hungry. सूर्यास्त समये कां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत्
Sir, may I answer?
yes.
सूर्यास्त समये एकं महतीं गुहाः दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत्.
Okay, this boy who is opening video, who is that boy name?
Sir, he is the Dhyanesh.
No, Janes. He is always coming on video, but not sitting simply and dancing likewise, not interacting also with me. But he is opening also video. If you open the video, it should be very sincere manner. You have to sit and to interact with the teacher. Once you open the video, everybody will see you. Please be disciplined. Okay. Rohit, you tell me. Next question.
Yes, sir.
रात्रौ रात्रौ कः आगच्छति रात्रौ कः आगच्छति
Sir, it was not audible, sir.
रात्रौ कः आगच्छति
आत्रौ कः
आगच्छति
आगच्छति? Sir, रात्रौ कोऽन्यपि जीवः आगच्छति, sir.
Jiva is correct answer. Okay, correct. Next, who will say? Anybody else? We can give chance to others. Monica is there. Monica. Arush is there.
Yes, sir.
Come on the video. Arush. Start coming. He's coming. See this video. Janesh is name. Huh? Okay. Any doubts you can clarify to me? Any doubts you want to discuss? Anybody is having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, homework, please note down from this two paragraph. All of you write this two paragraph in your Sanskrit homework side. Please write down
Okay, sir.
your homework side this two paragraph.
Sir, can you write here?
And now whatever 4 or 5 questions Ekapadena we discussed, that you have to write in your Sanskrit homework side 5 questions and 5 answers from these two paragraphs. After writing these two paragraphs, you have to write these 5 questions and answer for the same. Is it clear, Varaha?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt is there, you can clarify. Otherwise, we will conclude our session now. Anybody is having any doubts?
Shabdarth, sir.
Shabdartha, you have to write up this
Sir,
homework side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen again. I give you instruction to all. WhatsApp, we are sending the message. Google class group, we are having. In that, you have to write and submit your classwork and homework. Teaching will take place through online WebEx. So these three platforms we are using for you all teaching Sanskrit. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write this instruction which I have given you while reading and learning Sanskrit. These three platforms we all are using. One is WhatsApp for sending message and interacting with the teacher, and classwork submission, homework submission, assignment submission, project submission through Google Classwork app.
Yes, sir.
Google Classwork application. Learning Sanskrit is through online video conference mode through WebEx with entering ID. Clear the instruction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts you can ask, otherwise I conclude the session.
Sir.
Any doubts you are having, you can ask to me, otherwise I conclude the session.
Can I write it in A4 sheet?
Yeah, if you are not having the notebook or something to write, you can write in your ruled sheet. If you are not having ruled sheet, also no problem. You can write in a A4 size sheet. Whatever papers are available within the home, you can take and write. But please don't go outside to buy the notebook or any other things. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Shall I conclude?
Yeah, understood, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Session, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I love you. Say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, 1, 2, 3. I will say. You have to say, let me hear. How many of you are saying this? Let me see this sloka. Are remembering. Are you know the sloka? Class 8th standard, you can recite to me. Let me hear of this one poem, not this one. Varaha, when we enter inside of class, Subhashita sloka. Rohit, 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 Puja.
Sir. Sir. Alasyam hi manushya.
Alasyam. All of you recite. All of you recite. I will tell you 1, 2, 3 start. That time you have to start. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, start.
Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastha mahan ripuh nastiruthyam samo bandhu kritvayam navasidati.
Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, stop.
वह कार्यमद्य पूर्वस्तारे चापराणि काव्यानि
Okay,
प्रतीक्षते
stop.
मृत्युः स्वायं
Okay. Okay, stop.
न ब्रूयात् सत्यमप्रियम्
Okay, stop. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now, any doubts you want to clarify?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you want to clarify? We'll conclude the session.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts.
No doubt.
Okay. I am Narsimhan from Kendrutela Annanagar, taking class for 8th standard. Today, second lesson, first two paragraph we completed. We will continue next class, and I will send the message through WhatsApp when our class will begin. And be safe, fight against COVID-19, keep safe, stay at home, study at home. We'll continue next class. Till that time, taking leave, Narsimhan, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Annanagar, Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान.
धन्यवाद सर.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद श्रीमान.
धन्यवाद.
श्रीमान.
धन्यवाद.
இப்பதான் நிம்மதியா இருக்கு. சார் வள 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 வள